back to the channel. I am back here with another video. So in this video, it is a collaboration with Sealinf, which is a women's brand who focuses on women's robes and sleepwear. So I'm gonna try on a few pieces so you all can see, and I'm also gonna leave that description down below so you all can go get yours too. The next robe here, you guys, let me tell y'all, I love this robe, okay? I 100% love this robe. This one also feels 100% amazing, okay? Amazing. Now, look at the details on this robe, you guys. This stuff is like, wow. Like, this is 100% amazing. And I also just want to put a disclaimer out there too. All of these robes on me are a small medium. So of course, if you are slightly a bit bigger, you might want to get a large, but no shade, you know, just put that out there. That's the size that I have, and I love it. This is just beautiful. It fits well. It fits. It's not even snug, but it's not too tight and it's not too loose. This is just like perfect for me. So I love this, you all. Like, this is just beautiful. Okay, it's like, wow. I love this color. And you know, you guys know, I don't do color. Like, strictly black and white. But this here is so pretty. If you all can't see the different flower pattern on this one, is a lot different than the other one. This one is so pretty and it's so colorful and it's so spring and summer. Like, look at this, you guys. This is beautiful. Like, this is also in a small medium as well. So, you guys, I love this. I love this, okay? I love this, and I hope you love it too. Like, this is beautiful. So it does come right here. So y'all know, it comes right here. And it's so pretty. Like, it feels good. This also does not have no other feeling besides, like, no difference than the other ones. But this one feels 100% amazing, just like the other ones as well. So you guys, this is a classic robe, you know. So this is literally one of the classic robes. I cannot emphasize that enough, you guys. If you don't have one in your closet, you need to go get one, because this is a classic robe. Every woman should have a black silk robe as is, you guys. And simply, it's just so comfortable, just as the rest. They're all comfortable, but this one is a true classic. And if you can't see, and if you didn't know, now you know. So, you know, I could wear this in, like, I could wear this to bed. I could wear this to, you know, just do anything with. Like, walk around the house if I need to, wake up and get in the shower. I just put on this damn robe to do that. You guys, this is just 100% amazing. It feels good. My skin feels amazing in it. It does not irritate my skin. If you all do not know, I have sensitive skin. So it doesn't irritate my skin, and that's always 1,000+ for me. So this is 100% amazing. I love it. And I also want to say thank you, Sealinf, for also sending me this product and sponsoring this video as well. So you guys, this is all I have here for you. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay tuned in. I have so much more content coming, as well as more promotions. And I also want to thank Sealinf for also sponsoring this video as well. And thank you all once again. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that bell so you all get my notification when I do upload, and stay tuned. Interact with me on my Instagram. Like, we can be best friends, you know. So I'll see you all later.